everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We're now going for a ride in a very nice little vehicle here, 1967 Chevy Camaro RS Convertible. Of course, you know 67 was the first year for the Camaro, definitely the best one to get, seeing as that it's definitely more valuable nowadays. Of course, the one we have here featuring a, I believe it's called Granite Gold exterior. Very popular car back in the day for its color. Of course, nowadays people like black, silver, red, blue, all the basic colors. Gold is very unique to see on these Camaros, but they did originally come as them with its G code. Other than that, it has the white stripes coming from the top to the back. It does have the SS style hood, Ridler style wheels, has a good spoiler in the back, and a white manual top. Moving on to the interior now, as you can see, it is an automatic on the floor. They did do a little gold and white, I'd like to say beige color combination. First thing you can see is we got the old school steering wheel with working horn, old school cluster. Other than that, you see the automatic on the floor with the odometer after style gauges where the RS gauges would have been. Since this is a Hideaway Headlight RS Edition vehicle, it is very appropriate to see those gauges on the bottom. Other than that, you got that very nice deluxe back seat. You can see that they have added vintage air and Sirius XM to the vehicle. Other than that, we are dealing with a little bit of traffic right now. Another cool thing about this car is the fact that you have the power window cranks. That's right, folks. Originally, back in the day, you had to crank up your windows, but now all you gotta do is hit the switch up, and the window will go up. I can't say the same for the back. Moving underneath the hood with a 350 small block engine. As you can see, we're going through all the gears right now, and it is going nice and smooth. Suspension's really right on the money there. Other than that, it is the kind of ride that you want to enjoy, especially with the vent windows, since 67 was the first and last year for the vent windows, especially in Camaro. But other than that, now we're just going to get it safely turned around and up on the lift, so just stay tuned to see the underneath.